Hello students, in this video we are going to see Secure Shell. This topic is from Unit 5. Secure Shell is a secure application program that can be used today for several purposes such as remote logging and file transfer. It was originally designed to replace Telnet. There are two versions of SSH like SSH1 and SSH2 which are totally incompatible. The first version SSH1 is now deprecated because of security flaws in it. So we will be seeing this SSH2 in this video. SSH has three important components. The first one is SSH trans, that means transport layer protocol. Second one is SSH authentication protocol. And third important component is SSH connection protocol. We will be seeing one by one in this next slides. Since TCP is not a secure transport layer protocol, SSH first uses a protocol that creates a secured channel on top of the TCP. This new layer is an independent protocol referred to as an SSH trans. When the procedure implementing this protocol is called, the client and server first use a TCP protocol to establish an insecure connection. Then they exchange several security parameters to establish a secure channel on top of the TCP. The list of services provided by this SSH transport layer protocol were discussed here. First one is privacy or confidentiality of the message exchanged. Data integrity, which means that is guaranteed by the message exchanged between the client and server or not changed by the intruder. Third one is authentication. That means the client is now sure that the server is one that claims to be. Compression of the message is the fourth point here, which improves the efficiency of the system and makes attacks more difficult. SSH authentication protocol. Authentication starts with the client, which sends a request message to the server. The request includes the username, server name, the method of authentication and the required data. The server responds with either a success message which confirms that the client is authenticated or a failed message which means that the process needs to be repeated with a new request message. The third component of SSH is SSH connection protocol. One of the services provided by SSH connection protocol is multiplexing. SSH connection takes the secure channel established by the two previous protocols and let the client create multiple logical channels over it. Each channels can be used for different purposes such as remote logging, file transfer and so on. This picture shows the format of packets used by SSH protocols. It contains 5 fields, namely length, padding, type, data and CRC. First field is the length field. That means this field defines the length of packets but does not include the padding. Second field is padding field, contains 1 to 8 bytes of padding is added to the packet to make the attack on the security provision more difficult. Third field is a type field. This field designates the type of the packets used in the different SSH protocols. Fourth field is a data field. This field is the data transferred by the packets in different protocols. CRC, cyclic redundancy check field, is used for error detection at the receiver side. Fine, we have come to the end of this topic. We will see the next topic in the next video. Thank you.